What are you gonna do, huh, Zero? Hang me up on the coat rack by my underwear? What's between you and me right now, Zero, is we're gonna answer the big question. What is Inc? Is it just a network of secret agents? The answer is no. Inc is something else, something deeper, more beautiful. Our mission is not just to defend Pinkerton. It's also to remain friends forever. Newton is your friend. I'm your friend. Do what you think is right. Ah, no! Not by my underwear! Not by my underwear! Let go of my watch. That tickles. Stop. Hey! Have you guys gone crazy or what?